There are three methods you can use to start applying profiles to artwork. The first is by simply click dragging without any key modifiers. This is the default reprofile method where the profile will extend in both directions until it reaches a corner or non-smooth point. If you start the click drag from a corner point, the profiles will extend on both sides of that point until it reaches the next corner point. If you perform this method on a closed path with no sharp corner points, such as this wing or egg, the profile offset emerges from the point 0 on the path and cycles all the way around until returning to point 0. The second method is looped mode, which will be familiar to Reform tool users. It can be used on all closed paths. It is activated when starting a reprofile operation on a path and the Option or Alt key modifier is held down whilst the mouse is dragging out the offset. When deployed on the chicken body shape, the repeating profile is consistently offset, whilst handles are presented at point 0 to determine the distance. It's still possible to continue editing a looped profile by adding additional offset markers at any location around the shape. The third and final method is constant offset, which is applicable to both open and closed paths. In this mode, which is accessible by holding down both the Shift and Option Alt key modifiers whilst dragging out the first reprofile offset, two same offset markers are automatically added to the extent of the reprofile section. In this example, when applying it to the chicken body, the chosen repeating profile is consistently offset, only ending at the next corner point. This method can be very useful if you wish to apply a consistent profile to, say, a straight segment.